before we even start unboxing, I just want to let you know, if you're looking into a new computer and you're a YouTuber, if you're editing, or if you do videography, I don't know. If you need to do certain things on your computer and you know that, save up and just get the Pro. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, click that subscribe button. If you're returning, thank you. In today's video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing video of the MacBook Pro. So a little story before we start the unboxing. Just bear with me because I'm trying to give y'all some important information before y'all buy this damn computer. Before y'all buy the computers, period. I originally had the MacBook Air and I had it for 2 years now. That's the computer that I've been using. And it literally crashed on me yesterday. Literally, like, just completely popped and blew. It didn't like blow up like with fire, but it was smoking, y'all. Like, it was literally smoking. So technically I could say it blew up. It was smoking and it won't shut on at all. Let me show you guys. This is the MacBook Air and I really enjoyed this computer. But what I must say and what I just learned is, if you're doing videos, if you're editing, if you're doing photography and you just need a certain amount of capacity for your computer to hold and be able to withstand, you might want to go with the Pro. And I've heard that, but I just didn't think that it was really that serious. So I went with the Air and I went with what I could afford at the moment. Turns out I should have just saved up and got the Pro, but you live and you learn, right? So I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you. Sorry for the rant, y'all. Let's get into this video. Alright, you guys, so this is what it looks like. It's still sealed. I just got it like a few hours ago. So when you first get your package, it's gonna look like this. The touch sensors up here. It's gonna say MacBook Pro on the side. And then in the back, it's gonna show you everything regarding your new laptop. So now we're gonna open it, you guys. So it has like this little tab right here. So we're just gonna pull that down. And then our plastic is gonna come off. I always do that with plastic. I went with space gray this time because on the first one in the Air, I had silver, which is this right here. So let me see if you guys can see the difference. Ooh, this is just more of a silverish. And then this is more darker. This is the space gray version. And then you're just going to take it off like that. And then I'll just show you guys what it has inside first, and then we'll get into the computer. It's gonna come with the charger. And as you know, the new MacBooks, they come with a new charger just like the iPhone 11s. This is the charger for your MacBook Air, the older version. And this is how the charger looks. And then for the new MacBooks, they switched up the chargers just like they did for the new iPhones, like the 11s and up. It's going to be like this. And as you can see, this is smaller. So for each side, this one is to put inside of the adapter, and then this one is to put inside of your computer. So next we have this package right here. So it's just like a little book, and it shows you everything about your computer. So if you want to read stuff about your computer, that comes in there. Leave a comment or let me know if you actually read these things, because I don't. I know we should, but I never really do. And maybe I should, because maybe I would have known about my MacBook Air. So this is the block that it comes with that you plug your charger into. You guys, that's all it comes with right here. So now let's get into the computer. Dang, I might have to charge it, right? Duh, Iyasia. I might have to charge it to turn it on. So we're just going to kill. I'm liking that the Apple is a little bit darker than the original one. I guess because it's the space gray, the Apple is not literally black, but it kind of looks black. I'm going to do a comparison on the MacBook Air and the MacBook Pro on like the sizing. So used to the Pros being so much heavier, and I must say this does not feel as heavy. This is actually lightweight. It's not heavy at all. But for the Air, this is how thick it is, and then for the Pro, this is how thick it is. Pro Air. Pro Air. Let's open it. Woo! The Apple sign. It literally just started to load itself. I didn't even click anything. I know you guys just seen that. And look at the display, you guys. I might have to flip my camera around so you guys can see. This is like beautiful. It looks really good. I like. English is the main language. Press the return key. Okay, Siri, you interrupted our video. I love the darkness of this computer. Like, it reminds me of dark mode on the phones. It's like everything is like a dark feel. Shush. She's trying to take over. Shush. Siri is trying to take over the video right now. So anyways, like I was saying, you guys, right here is going to be a touchpad, and it also now houses our fingerprints. So on the old Mac, you wasn't able to put in your fingerprint. You were only able to put in your password. But now they have a fingerprint activator, which is so cool. So it's just easier access to get into your computer. I like that a lot. A few things that I did want to show you guys. So if you notice on your MacBook, if you have an Air or older Air, what changed is the center pad right here is way bigger, whereas the other one is like kind of half of this, really small. And then our keyboard, the keys are much larger. On the sides, they took away some of the cords that you can put in, so you can no longer put in a USB, which I thought was so shitty. Like, I just don't understand why they keep doing this when they take away stuff and you have to buy pieces just to add on. It's literally like a scam. I hate it. I really do. I hate that Apple does that. Like, it's so annoying. So basically, if you want to use a USB cord, you have to have the adapter and then put the USB cord into the adapter. I thought that was really shitty.
Guys, so I'm editing the video right now, but I did want to show you guys that I had to purchase this piece from Amazon. I'll link the link below, but this piece right here allows you to have all of the pieces and the cords that you need to put in. So basically it's an adapter. I think it's called like a C-hub. So make sure you guys get this, unless you won't be able to put your SD card in, your charger, the USB, and yeah. Make sure you guys get this.
Back at the touchboard screen that I was showing you guys, right here, you can press Siri. Hey Siri, how are you doing?
Hi there, how are you?
I'm doing good, girl.
I don't understand. I'm doing good, girl.
Anyways, okay, so that was Siri, how you click Siri. And then right here, I'm turning the volume up or down. And then as you can see, it just did a bar right here. I don't know if you guys can see. So that's the volume. And then when you go right here, it allows you to do everything. So you can press play, forward, reverse, the volume, turn the volume off, exit right there, escape. And then I did want to show you guys that if you're sending a message, if you're typing a message to someone, right here the emoji button will click, pop up, and then look at that, all your emojis pop up on the screen. So all your emojis pop up on this touch screen right here, and then look, you can see I'm texting the emojis. That's really cool. I thought that was pretty dope. So the speakers are right here. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of dots, so this is where your sound is going to be coming out of, so it's going to be right there in your face, like boom. It's going to be right in your face. I feel like everything else would be just like your regular MacBook that you buy as far as system-wise. There's probably more functions and newer functions that come with it. I don't really know yet until I start to play with the computer, but how wide it is. It's actually, I told you guys, it's lightweight. I usually thought that the Pros were going to be so heavy. The ones that I've seen, or the ones that I've seen in person, they were so heavy. This is not heavy at all. This reminds me of my Air, so that's pretty good. This is the inside. We got the space gray. Everything is dark. It's on dark mode right now, actually. I have mine on dark mode. We have our black keypad, larger keypad, the screen keyboard up here to activate the sound and all of those things. We have our larger pad right here. This is the space gray. Everything is black up here, and it just gives you like a nice finished dark look. So yeah, I think the other options were either the silver, the space gray, or they had like the rose goldish, and this was the one that I went with. I usually get like black phones, so why not get the black laptop? I thought that was pretty pretty dope. Okay, you guys, so that pretty much wraps up this unboxing video. I showed you everything about the computer, how it comes when you first get it. I showed you how it looks, the size, and the comparisons between this and the MacBook Air. So I hope this video was very informative to you guys. If you're looking to get a new computer, if you've been thinking about trading in your computer, if you don't know what to do as far as which version to get, they also have this is a 13-inch. They had a 16-inch as well, which is huge. I don't know who wants that. Maybe I don't know. I personally wouldn't want that. It's just too big for me. You guys, like I stated in the beginning of this video, if you're gonna get this computer, please get AppleCare, you guys. It was no way I was gonna buy this computer without getting AppleCare. I made that mistake the first time when I didn't get AppleCare on my MacBook Air. Either way, it doesn't matter if you get the Pro or if you get the Air. Whatever you do get AppleCare. Like, just make sure you get it. Just make sure you get it. If you have to save before you get it, make sure you get it. I think they give you like a certain amount of time before you can get it, maybe like the first 90 days. So if you can't get it right then and there, make sure you get it before you can't get it anymore. Because it's really gonna save you. If something happens to the computer, AppleCare is going to save you. And I had to learn that the hard way. So learn from my mistakes. Just learn from my mistakes. I had to buy a whole new computer. I really didn't want to. I really wish I didn't have to, but I had to do what I had to do. Do not go ahead and buy this computer or any computer and don't put the AppleCare on it, because you're going to be screwed and you're going to have to spend more money than you expect to. So, that's pretty much that. It is a wrap. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.